Vijoy Diwas nate Indian Army ni Luwajijakma by Kraksal Sarigo Albert Ekka War Memorial Parkoh Khlaijakha Kaisa CulturalProgram Manjakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Prof Dr. Manik Saha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu no Khobwi Indian Army ni Jawamrok Ashalni Pandaw dalbeda lukurok bhai participate khlaika abai keno Pandaw panjangnai naro airokno lamro soina harjaka Ashalni Pandaw Manjakha Hasteni Mantri Okra Prof Dr. Manik Saha Hasteni Hastepha Indra Sena Reddy Nallu Chief Secretary Ekka Sinha DGP Anurag Dankar BSF ni IG Alok Kumar Chakraborty India Army 6th Sikh Brigadier Commanding Officer Colonel Vivek Singh Segar no Khobwi tei kubun India Army ni Jawamrok Abon yaglona Ashalni Pandan tei Koknarka Hasteni Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Saha
Our Bharat witnessed one of the gravest humanitarian tragedies of our time. And during that time, the Mukti force, they were trained in Tripura by the armies. Everybody knows it, by our security forces. And people from the then Pakistan, East Pakistan, and now Bangladesh, they used large number of people entered the Tripura. I can remember, I knew some of the peoples. They were the classmates of my elder brother. And one of the men was MNA means MP of that East Pakistan. And some of the these reporters along with him, they also came. And they stayed in our house, at our house, for about 9 months. And we were very happy to welcome them. And we have given shelter, we have given this fooding. And really, it is not like that they are the burden for us. They were not our burden, as if now the Bangladesh wanted to be free from Pakistan. So I think all over the India, we are the third smallest state in the country. But what we had done, still the people of now Bangladesh, they remember. Still they remember. This is for civilians like me. But what our army have done, that cannot be forgotten. This is very important. And because of that, we have gathered here to celebrate them, to give them a salute that what have not done for us. Even they have showed their courages in Operation Sindoor. So what is my impression? The war of the era, in this era, it is something different. At the border, people were waiting. Where is the artillery center? Where is the army? Nothing were there. So we had S-400. Through S-400, so air defenders. Through this, and technology has been so high now. And using drone technology completely changed, I think, to fight against the enemies. Today, of course, I should tell that what our army personnel they have showed, their performance, that nobody in the world, they will dare to show their red eyes to our armies. That I can give you the assurance.
Ashalni Pandaw kabangko lukurong no khatang dong thono bisingtei cultural program participate khlaimani nukjakha. Rajukragol jim pronom ni kokthum Chini Khorang.